With a team from the Embassy of the United States of America, we want to welcome you. This is Kisii. This is how we do our things. You dance all day, you'll be everywhere dancing and singing. You'll be able to see and enjoy the good songs that we have here and the food from Kisii. Madam Ambassador, we are happy, the people of Kisii. If you ask all these people who are here today, if a Boeing 77 came and landed at the stadium here, and tell them they leave for US, some of them they forget their children back home. And for sure, we love the Americans because most of our people from here, as I just indicated earlier, part of the US is the Kisii community. If you go to Minnesota, Texas, Wisconsin, actually part of Wisconsin, Atlanta and other many states in the US, you will find Kisii there. We're happy that you have come home. When definitely you go back home, you tell them you are home, and most of those people will be very, very happy. Today, in our traditions here, when the visitor comes, we enjoy, we are happy because we know there are many goodies. And I can tell you today, Madam Ambassador has come, she has so many things to share with us. She's here for 2 days to see for herself what the American government is doing in Kenya as well as Kisii. Madam Ambassador, as I just indicated earlier, as Kisii's, we are hospital people. When the outbreak of post-election violence of 2007, it's only Kisii that people are notified. This is a place where people found home. People are moving from all over the country coming to Kisii to stay. And our people, the hospital, they welcome them and kept them until the countries come. And I assure you that today, as you're walking around and seeing the moment that your government is doing here, we will look forward to hear from you the many promises you make and your presence, because there is presence of other governments, yes, here, but for America, because we have very close ties, we're looking forward to see heavy involvement in the business of this country. Good people of Kisii, today is a day that we're happy to welcome Her Excellency Ambassador Whitman to address us and give us the goodies that she has come with. You'll be here. She's prepared. The curriculum that we had a problem with before, she's ready to see how we can revamp that sector properly. Our coffee, our banana, our avocado, our soapstone in South Mugango and part of Obasi. These are the things that we have discussed, and again, the many programs that the government of America is running. Therefore, with those few remarks, Madam Ambassador, mtakaribisha mgeni ama vipi? Atajua kwamba mtu wako unataka nikumbuke pia. Ambassador, karibu and say something.